Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are going to learn Alpha Master is a free binary option robot that do not use any form of martingale, and you can start with just $1 bid, or like me I'm going to use $550 bid. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, in the link below the video, there are included a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit, as long as the deposit is more than $100. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video, you'll find a link to my WhatsApp community. There I give all my free Forex signals and binary option signals. So if you have any interest about that, check it out today. But now let's start up Alpha Master.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we take. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away, run getting stronger every day. Do the bullets and the flames, but the fire's in your eyes, and there's no place left to hide. You got nowhere to run away. No, you got nowhere to run away. Run away, 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 got nowhere to.
And just like that, one trade, 100% win rate. We made a profit of $506. So pretty amazing. If I had lost the trade, I think I will take 2 more trades so we turn a little profit, but this is better. When you get 1 trade, 1 win, that's the best. So you can download this robot also. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also, like I said when I started the video, the link below the video have a promo code that give you 50% on your first deposit, as long as you deposit more than $100. Just so aware of that. So with that, have an amazing day.